Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how to quickly and cleanly insert citation inside Microsoft Word. And yes, even in 2025 or 2026 when the software keep on changing, if you are writing a report or thesis or just want your reference to look sharp, this one is for you. Hey there everyone, welcome to Technoholic Plus, where we cover various productivity topics, and if you are interested in this kind of content, then be sure to subscribe to Technoholic Plus such that you don't miss any update from us. Now let's come back to the topic of citation. Microsoft still use a reference tab for citation and bibliography group for inserting sources. And here you can see we are already in a reference tab where I can easily see citation. Now before I quickly start showing how we can add it, let me talk about how you can fully utilize it. So in order to fully utilize citation, first of all, make sure your document is saved in DOCX format. So right now here this document is saved in DOC. And here what you will see is the functionality of citation is limited because this particular document is open in compatibility mode or in doc format. Another important thing is whenever you want to add citation in your Word document, make sure you are editing it offline. If you're going to edit it online, you may face some issue. Now let's see how we can add citation. For example, here is the place where I would like to add citation, and here in reference tab you need to look for citation and bibliography and then click on insert citation. Then we need to click on add new source. Now here you can create a source, which of course I would like to add it in my document. And here we have got following different type of source. So your source from where you have taken reference from could be a book section, journal article, and so on. So based on the kind of document that you have referred, you can select that. For example, it was a website, and then I can write here name of the author of that website. And then here you can also mark it as an corporate author based on your requirement. Here I can mention, and I'm just gonna put a random website name. Okay, so all I'm just showing you how you can create the source. Okay, here I can put the year, month, day, and so on. Now after filling all these information, you can click OK, and there we go. So here we can see we just have added a citation. Now if I go down here, maybe I need to go more down, and here let's say I would like to add bibliography. I can simply go back here and then click on bibliography. Now if I select this one, here you can see the bibliography is added. Now let me again go on the top here, and maybe this is not the style that I want to go for. I can delete this, and then from here style I can actually select this particular one, and now here we go. Now let's say this is not the style that you wanted to have. You can delete this, and now from here I can change the style type. So this time I have selected this particular one, and now you're gonna see that the citation is written in a different way. Maybe it looks same, but that's not the case actually. For example, if I am going with ISO 690, this time you're definitely going to see there is a difference here. And the difference in this particular case is this comma. So in this way guys, you can create sources, and then of course you can add citation in your document. And if you anytime want to manage sources, you can go here on the top and click on manage sources, and then from here you can add or even edit the existing source. So that's all guys from my side in this video. Hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Technoholic Plus to see more such content related to productivity, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.